How to add radar animation in DaVinci Resolve. Go to Fusion page. Open up Effects panel, expand Templates, expand Fusion, and click on Motion Graphics. Drag Radar or Radar 2 tool into Composition and make sure that Media Out is automatically created. If not, press Shift plus space, search for Media Out and add it. This was Radar tool, but let's add Radar 2 and change its style. Connect the last node of the tool, in this case, Brightness and Contrast node to Media Out. Now we have this animation. Hold down the mouse middle button and drag to move in the composition. Select Emitter node and you can change the green color of these dots. From Style tab, choose another color you like. Select Change Style node and change the color of red dots. To change the background color, select Background 2-3 node and change its color. Select Change Style node and you can adjust its size in the viewer. At last, you can select Emitter node and position it where you want in the viewer. Once you're happy with the result, go back to the Edit page.